Hello students, how are you all? We are going to start our new fresh topic, that is Young modulus of elasticity. So in this video we will study what is the basic meaning of Young modulus of elasticity, and we will see what are the formulas and all the things. Okay, this topic comes under the mechanical properties of solids, I think from chapter 11 CBSE class 11 physics. Okay, so we usually represent Young modulus of elasticity from Y, okay, capital Y, and the formula is stress upon strain. So now we will see what is this stress and what is this strain. Suppose I am taking a simple example, like I have a simple cylindrical shaped rod, any rod, okay, whose length is L and radius is R, and I am applying a force, or we can take it pressure, from this direction. Okay, if I am applying the force from this direction, then I know the area of cross section will decrease. Area of cross section will decrease and the length will increase. Okay, अगर मैं इस डायरेक्शन में एक कोई भी फोर्स अप्लाई करता हूँ तो मेरे को पता है कि इसकी जो लेंथ है वो इंक्रीज होगी और जो इसका एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन है वो डिक्रीज होगा। मतलब कि ये जो मेरी रॉड है पतली हो जाएगी और इसकी लेंथ बढ़ जाएगी। ठीक है, तो स्ट्रेस को हम सिंपली लिखते हैं स्ट्रेस इक्वल टू फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया। दैट मीन कि मैंने कितना फोर्स लगाया है एक पर यूनिट एरिया पे। एरिया कौन सा होगा? ये वाला एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन है ना, दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन, एंड force is how much force I have applied. Okay, and if we write strain is equal to delta L upon L. Now what is delta L? Delta L means change in the length. Okay, डेल्टा एल का मतलब है कि कितनी लेंथ इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज हुई है, कितना चेंज हुआ है। सपोज करो आई एम टेकिंग ए सिंपल एग्जांपल, लाइक आई वाज हैविंग अ लेंथ 2 meter. Okay, I was having a 2 meter length rod. Okay, I mean मेरे पास एक 2 मीटर लंबी एक रॉड थी, and I have applied a certain amount of force on that and my length increases by suppose 0.1 meter. My new length will become 2.1 meter. कि मैंने फोर्स लगाने के बाद जो मेरा लेंथ थी वो 2 मीटर से बढ़ के 2.1 मीटर हो गई है। ठीक है, तो चेंज कितना आया? तो डेल्टा एल आई विल कैलकुलेट लाइक दैट, 2.1 मीटर माइनस 2 मीटर. ओके, so I'll get 0.1. The value of delta L is equal to 0.1 meter, and L means original length. Okay, L means original length. So what was my original length? So my original length was 2 meter. This is my original length. So strain I'll get 0.1 upon 2. So it will be like 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 1, then 0.05. And strain have no unit. Strain की कोई unit नहीं होती. So ultimately if I'll put these two formulas in my Young modulus formula here, so I will get Young modulus Y is equal to stress upon strain, and stress is nothing but force upon area upon delta L. Strain is nothing but delta L upon L. So if I multiply like this, then I'll get force multiplied by L, force multiplied by L, then divide by A multiplied by delta L. Okay, this is the formula of Young modulus of elasticity, and the unit of Young modulus of elasticity is same as that of stress. You should remember this, that the unit of Young's modulus of elasticity is same as that of stress. Okay, because we all know that the unit of strain is unitless. I mean the strain is unitless, so the Young modulus, unit of Young modulus is same as that of stress. And the what is the unit of stress? Unit of stress is Newton per meter square. As I have already told you, the unit of stress is same as that of unit of Young modulus of elasticity, then I can say that unit of Young modulus of elasticity is also Newton per meter square. And this is very important for our exam point of view. This they can ask. I mean every year I think this usually comes in CBSE board exam. Okay, so you should remember this. Thank you all.